You know that there will be an axle, there will be a wheel, and maybe we are all like wheels for Jagadish sir. Okay, we should become an axle for people like us. Everybody, your experience. Experience is not. You will not have seen Mohan, no? Sir, your name? Bharat. I've seen him many times quietly sitting in BMS meetings. Immediately I recognized him. Okay? I'm sure you'll be laughing at my word. What this young fellow can talk? You want your experiences to be registered. Okay? And that's what my guru said. A book is a visiting card. It will leave a legacy behind. You can become an axle, you can become a teacher, you can become Anna Hazare. Okay? You should be remembered for truth, honesty, courage, harmony you bring in. You should be remembered for all these good things. I'll tell, yes, you don't have to do a lot of things. Simple. You're going in a car, okay? Your grandson, who is around 10 years, is with you. At 10 o'clock, you're going back from a place to your house. You saw a person who is hit with met with an accident, is bleeding. Okay? Nobody around. What you do? Why should I? Why should I? Why should I get into problems? You can just move on. The same boy will see that. No chance you have. If you do like this, stop the car, bring all the people, take that person, take it to the hospital, see that he is admitted, see that he got proper first aid, and his family comes and says, Namaskara, ನೀವಿಲ್ಲದೆ ನನ್ನ ಮಗ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಿದ್ದ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಉಪಕಾರನ ನಾನು ಈ ಜನ್ಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಮರೆಯಲ್ಲ. I will be thankful to you for the whole life. This boy of 10 years watching Tata, okay, watching the grandfather. After 20 more years, you are no more. He'll get an award, somewhere a big award. He'll be called to a stage. Friends, do you think that he will recall if somebody asks him where you learned your values? He will remember you. 20 years back, when I was young, my grandfather did this. I came to know what is the power of compassion, power of love, how to reach out to people. Now I am doing the same. You tell me now, all of you here, was it a great big incident? It was not. It is a small
normal reaction for another human being.
Yes. Simple things. Our children are watching, our grandchildren are watching. Take them to a picnic, tell them stories, take them to an ice cream parlor, enjoy, play with them. Go out, reach out to others, other children. Whatever you know, go and do free. In Satya Sai, I see that. We all go do free. They never, nobody will ask me who I am, which vehicle I have come, whether it is imported car or a two-wheeler or by bus. Everybody is treated equally. Look at the institutions who have built, the poor people who doesn't have anyway, open a orphanage, open a hostel, poor people hostel. So many people come from villages, don't have place to stay. Okay. I have seen it. If you have money, give it. If you have time, give it. Look at your health. Take care of your health. I'm not telling leave your health and Please take care. Okay. If you cannot do that, at least can you pray for others? Yes. Can you meditate? If you are doing meditation for 10, 15, 20 minutes or whatever it is, your children, grandchildren, they see. And you become the center for change in your house. You may ask, why should I become? Again, I am telling you. All these things will leave your footprints behind without your knowledge. You don't have to do big things in life. Just spend time, counsel your grandchildren, counsel, go to a counseling center, give your free surveys. I'll tell you, people, when people like me tell you with black hair, they don't listen. When people like you tell, they listen. They may listen. You don't know. Try it. These are all the various things which I feel that you can model. Why Mahatma Gandhi is remembered? Truth, non-violence, whatever values he stood for, he is remembered. Not anybody who... So many political leaders were there at that time. Nobody... That uncompromising faith on his values he believed in. Simple. We may not become Mahatma Gandhis. Chota Mahatma. Wherever it is possible, don't go out of way. 20-kilometer travel. Near your house, can you reach out like this? Nightingales, they are doing an amazing job. One more thing I want to tell is, don't go behind numbers. I own 2 houses, I have 3 cars. Okay, my son is getting XXX salary. My daughter-in-law is that country. My grandson is doing that. She is getting a lot of money. He is saving a lot of money. I got so many awards. These are all numbers. Okay. As I said earlier, when you reach out, when you reach a level of after roti, kapda, makan, security, name, fame, hello, where you are going, leave it. Enough. Let us put a ceiling for our earning. Okay. From small things to big things I am talking. Without your knowledge, the footprints are down. You don't have to print your footprints behind. Leave. It will be formed. Just like that. Here lives a man. Whenever he is around, everything used to get like this. You can be an example for it. Okay? You have to adjust with younger ones. One more thing is the older lot has a problem with the younger lot. That your son and grandchildren, they belong to different generations. Okay? Okay? Simple. You might have been in a public sector, okay? Psychology, they are in the software psychology. The third generation is the big boss psychology, okay? They are into reality games, all that reality shows. You are much ahead, okay? You are right in your place, middleman is right in my place, I am in the middle. I am nowhere. I have to adjust with him, I have to adjust with my daughter who is in first PUC. She says she knows everything. She knows everything. I have to say, okay. Whereas you people know everything, but don't do it. Please do something.
1 second. The older we grow,
yeah,
I find that we know less.
So what happens is, as you say, it is the once you come to a realization that with whatever knowledge, there is nothing. You will come to a stage. All these are all nimitta. Just like this, one day will be. So you will become more relaxed. The same thing for a middle, like my generation. I think when I started my engineering, I should have been in the first or second batch of computer science. I denied it and took civil engineering to build buildings. Okay. I took as an interest, believe it, at the age of, I am now 48. At the age of 40, I did my MS in psychotherapy and counseling, just to help people. There's no end for growth. I have seen 80 years old man doing in my batch, where in Ashok Pai and Jarjani Pai is doing in Shimoga. There's no end for learning. There's no end for learning. There's no end for learning, I'm telling you. You can always know new things. You can always be open. Okay? There are so-called clubs, whatever clubs, I don't want to name. I think most of the time happens is wastage of energy there. I've seen it. Okay. They'll be talking about everything under the earth, but about everybody. Okay. Great people discuss ideas. Small people discuss about people. Yuringe. Great people, they don't. Any new idea? Come on, let us work on it. See the humility of Narayan Murthy. He is going to save a sinking boat. He has gone back. Okay? It is his baby. He won't allow it. Others may orphan that institution. He will not. At the age of 68, he has gone back to the place where he was doing a nitty-gritty of. Simple. No. I am retired. No. I can't come back. Sorry. Rise for the occasion. Go. Okay. I think all this needs spirituality. Somewhere the lack of spiritual values get into confusion, even for older people. If you can develop the spiritual values, to know that divinity is not in the Kallu, Mannu, Itige, where in Uttarakhand, okay? Where in, all that's fine. Let it be there. Obsession, okay? In search of God. Buddha did it. At the age of 19, he couldn't find a God. Then he started focusing on the attention on his breath. On the day of Buddha Purnima, when he was under the Bodhi tree, he got transformed. He got enlightenment. He didn't get outside. He searched outside. Gurus, idols, that worship, this worship, Veda, everything he did it for 21 years. From pillar to post he went. At the age of 40, he got enlightenment. For 40 more years, Buddha taught the whole world the great Anapanasati meditation. Okay? In Pali language, Ana means inhalation, Apana means exhalation. Okay? Pali. When you focus your attention on inhalation, exhalation, your thoughts comes down, energy, lot of energy you receive, your mind with that, you get wisdom, you get concentration for younger people, their memory increases, the relationship around you changes on its own. Just look at one meditation, it can change. Okay? We are searching outside. Why not we search inside? Okay? I think what we have lost, that is to know that we are divine, to know that he is divine, to know that she is divine. Everybody is a divine beings come here in a human form. Understand? We have forgotten. Up to 9 months, we are very comfortable in the womb of my mother, our mother. We were divine. Up to 5 years, now I don't know what is the latest, 2 years maybe. 2 years also they know how to operate a mobile. Until that you are like divine.